It is a moment of immense pleasure and honor for all of us to be present here today to witness the inauguration of this inaugurate amphitheatre by our Honorable President Sir Shri P.K. Taneja. The spectacularly distinguishing feature about this auditorium is that it is an open area which can be used as theatre completely surrounded by natural environment but not limited to lush greenery. One of the strikingly astounding fact about it is that not a single tree was harmed for its construction. As a part of university community, I feel totally proud and honored to announce that this auditorium is officially the venue for all the forthcoming events organized by the university, instead of previously used GSFC Limited Pavilion. The best part is that it is situated in the heart of campus with extraordinary illuminated light arrangements and holding approx 500 people at once. I request all the dignitaries to be please seated. बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आजाद हुआ। आओ आज सलाम करें उन वीरों को जिनकी शहादत से ये भारत गणतंत्र हुआ। A very hearty good morning to one and all present here. As we gather here today, I, Anshuta Srivastav, feel honored to host this auspicious occasion and wish you a very, very happy Republic Day. Now, I request Provost Sir to honor our President Sir with flowers as a token of respect. Please, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. Now I would request Sri P.K. Taneja sir, our Honorable President, to unfurl the Indian flag. While the national anthem is being played, I further request all the attendees and spectators to please stand still in southern position at your respective seats. Now I'll invite our President sir. Please sir.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जय गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
treasures are uncovered from earth. So, virtue appears from good deed, and wisdom appears from pure mind. To walk safe through the maze of human life, one needs the light of wisdom, guidance of virtue. So, we humbly invite our President, Sir, to enlighten us with his address. Please, sir.
Maganda pa. Bilang may paano.
GSFC University, Dr. Javeri, Campus Director and Deputy Director Administration, Shri Dholakia, Deans, very special type Deans and Associate Deans of the schools, faculties of the university, non-teaching staff, and my dear students. I understand that we are also doing live streaming, so many of our students, their parents and others may be joining us virtually. So a very good morning to every one of you and a very happy Republic Day. कैसे करना है इसको, ऐसे पकड़ के रखना है. Should I start without? Okay, it gives me immense pleasure to address you on this occasion of 72nd Republic Day. As you know, Republic Day is celebrated across India with a lot of fervor. It is an occasion to show our defense prowess by showcasing missiles, aircrafts, and weapon systems at Rajpath with magnificent parades by regiments of the Indian Navy, Army, and Air Force, including police and paramilitary forces. Beautiful tableaus representing the beauty of all the states of India are also showcased during the parade. There are also sky shows by the Air Force. Thus, celebration of Republic Day is an exhibit of a strong nation and with culturally rich diversity. Today, India is the largest and strongest democratic nation due to our strong constitution. Thanks to our great leaders who were the great architects of our constitution. When we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day, we have many achievements to our credit as a nation. The Indian National Satellite System, also called as INSET, is India's very own domestic communication satellite, which puts us on the spot with some very developed nations. India secured a spot among the only 5 nations to have launched an indigenously made nuclear submarine by the name INS Arihant, which adds a feather in the cap of our achievements. India is also leading in renewable sources of energy and is the founder member of Solar Alliance at the world level. The total solar power capacity alone has advanced by more than 11 times in last 5 years, from 2.6 gigawatts to 38 gigawatt, which in itself is very commendable. An interesting fact that most of us are not aware of is that the Mars orbital mission made India the only nation in the world to reach Mars in its first attempt. The Mangalyaan 1 is an indigenously built space probe that makes India's first venture into interplanetary space. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, currently India is driving the world's largest vaccination program, wherein 1.3 billion people are to be vaccinated, and about 2 million people have already been vaccinated in the last 8 to 9 days. And by July end, 300 million people will be vaccinated, which is equal to the entire population of United States of America. India has the largest number of FDA-approved vaccine manufacturing plants outside USA. Today, a large number of countries are looking at India for vaccine. Following our deep-rooted philosophy, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, India is donating 10 million doses of vaccine to a number of countries like Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, and many more other countries. Covishield, the Indian brand of vaccine, is cheapest in the world at just 1/5 of the cost of Moderna brand. India's farm sector also caters to 50% of the global vaccine demand, and India exports drugs to 170 countries. That is why India is called world's pharmacy. India has recently launched, particularly during the pandemic period, a policy of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we shall join the initiative by being vocal for local. Our own state of Gujarat is also doing great in terms of achievements. There are about 46.1 million people speaking Gujarati language worldwide, making it the 26th most spoken native language in the world. Gujarat has the highest rate of eye donation in India. It contributes 25% of the total eye donations in the country. Every minute, on an average, one person in Gujarat is donating blood. Gujarat is number one in the startup ranking also as best performer state in the whole country successively 2 times. The state has 17,843 villages, out of which 99.42% are connected by Pakka roads. 70% of India's denim is produced in Gujarat. Ahmedabad has become the denim city of India. Arvind Mills is the third largest denim manufacturer in the world. So Gujarat's contribution to India is phenomenal. About 18.4% of India's industrial production takes place in Gujarat. 20% of India's exports are from Gujarat. Gujarat produces India's 23% of milk, 25.3% of cotton, 40% of silk, 62% of petrochemical products, 80% of the processed diamonds, and 85% of silver jewelry. 8 out of 10 diamonds in the world are polished in Surat. Thus, as a state and as a nation, we are very strong and still emerging stronger day by day. You are aware that our university is a very young university and is emerging to be a university of excellence with its beautiful campus, rich curriculum, strong connect with industry and holistic culture. Our aim is to make the students industry ready and employable. In a short time, we have made our presence felt in the state. We took a pioneering initiative going for online teaching when lockdown was announced on March 22nd, 2020. We completed successfully our academic year by June 2020. As per the schedule, conducting exam online, we successfully completed internship with the theme Ideas for New Normal, bringing more than 60 industry experts on board. We were the first among all private universities in Gujarat to hold second annual convocation online, having our chief guest of repute, Padma Bhushan awardee Dr. R.A. Mashilkar. However, we have many milestones to achieve in the years to come to serve the community of learners in the best possible manner. Therefore, we need to raise our quality bar and rise to the occasion. I urge you all for continuous improvement in our approach to education, keeping students in the center. Therefore, let us resolve to give our best to the young children and become their guiding light. At this juncture, I would like to acknowledge GSFC company's contribution for extending the patronage with CSR support as well as human resource support. We all are passing through COVID-19 pandemic time, which is very challenging, uncertain and unpredictable. We all need to take cautious approach to avoid any fatal issues. I hope you are maintaining all the care of hygiene, distancing and wearing masks wherever you go to protect yourself as well as others too. Let us strive our university to be the best, compact, boutique institution with a futuristic approach, encouraging student-centric culture and sharpened focus on developing industry-ready and employable students with all-round development. Best of luck and God bless us all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. It's a day of absolute unadulterated portrayal of talent and vigor. So I would like to call upon stage the very talented, very enthusiastic students of GSFC University to give their performance on Republic Day. We have Shivansh and Dhey on strings, Adrich on keys, Ashish and Anusha as vocalists. I request you all to please come on the stage.
तेरे बिन मैं तो अधूरा रहा मायरे मायरे मुझ पे ही रूठी मेरी परछाई ओ जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल मैं तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल मैं तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरे रीत का रंग तेरे प्रीत का रंग तेरे जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरे रीत का रंग तेरे प्रीत का माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे है उठा सवाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जग से हारा नहीं मैं खुद से हारा हूँ मैं एक दिन चमकूंगा लेके तेरा सितारा हूँ मैं मेरी परछाई तेरा ख्याल माही तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माही तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरे रीत का रंग तेरे प्रीत का रंग तेरे जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरे रीत का रंग तेरे प्रीत का मैं तेरी चुनरिया लहराई
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन। मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे रख कर माथा दे दिया वीर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। मेरे वतन के लोग जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। मेरे वतन के लोग जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
That was an amazing, energetic, and mind-boggling performance. Let's have a round of applause for them. Now I would like to invite Mitul Chitani, the student of BSc, final year, to proceed further for the Science U magazine.
Good morning and a very happy Republic Day to Honorable President Sir, Senior Management, Dean, Associate Dean, faculties and my friends and the entire GSFCU team. Science View is a faculty and a student coordinated SOS initiative since 2019 where participation has been received from entire GSFCU faculties and students, SOT, SOM, SOS, from every place. Till date, we have three issues released. The first one was on Science 4.0, the second one was on climate change, the third edition was on viruses, and now, today, is time for the fourth issue, which is based on 3D printing. It is a biannual magazine which is released every year on 15th August and 26th January. So 3D printing it has a lot of applications. No matter what field it is, engineering, biotechnology, medical field, space, stars, everywhere. So it is something that we all should know. We have received 15 articles and all the articles are inside the magazine which shows us the different applications of what 3D printing is. So I'd request Honorable President Sir, Senior Management, Dean, SOT Dean and faculty editors to be the part of this release event. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you everyone for reading and contributing to the genesis of knowledge. Encouragement and appreciation is the best way to motivate someone. So, for acknowledging the young talents who enthusiastically participated today, I would request President Sir to reward them with the certificates.
માહિતી પણ ને અહીં ઉભો રહીને પણ આવી જશે.
Harsh Pathak, he is recording and capturing the precious moments. Anshita Srivastav, she is the first year student, CSC. She is anchoring the event. Anusha Zargar, she is again first year student. She is the part of band. Ashish Mishra. He is the second year student, BSc Chemistry. He is also singer. D.A. Gandhi. He was on strings. He is first year student, BTech Chemical. Shivanshi Rajpurohit. Second year CSE. He is on strings too. Edrich Das. He was on keyboard. He is third year student, BSc Chemistry. Bhavesh Suthar. He is photographer. He is first year student, BSc Chemistry. Thank you, sir. I would request Ansita